So, hi everyone, my name is Arnav Adarsh and I'm a first year student over here. I'm studying BTech Computer Science.
I'm Priyasha Singh and I'm first year BTech student of Information Technology.
Hi everyone, I'm Raghav Singhal and I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor's in Technology in EC branch from Manipal University.
Hello, I'm Sia Mulge and I'm also from first year and I'm studying BTech Computer Science as well.
My name is Ayush Kumar from BTech Computer Science first year.
Hello everyone, I am Ayush Somani, same BTech IT.
Hi, I'm Aditya Aryan. I am doing Information Technology BTech in MUJ.
What is the most weird thing you have heard about the campus?
The blocks B7, the mess and the basketball court have been built on a graveyard.
I think somebody told that the campus tomb was gifted by some ancient king or queen.
Well, the weirdest thing I've heard is that I'm going to be a senior in a couple of months when I've just been in campus for a month.
Probably the culture that was, the stereotype of MUJ, cocaine and drugs, has been hyped more than it actually is over here.
I've heard about this ghost and her name is Shalini. She resides in B5. She resides in your block, dude. So that's actually pretty weird because my friends live in B5 and they're like, raat mein 12 baje, I see some shadows going around and stuff. I don't know what's happening. But I believe in Shalini. Beware.
SRM and VIT. तो वहाँ का the environment was कि girls and boys are separated, in time होता है सबका around 8 o'clock or something. So and the mess is also different. But यहाँ पे it's like a chill environment, so that is a good thing.
What do you think about being in a relationship in Manipal?
What do you want to know? Huh?
Personal advice है, मत करो ये सब मोह माया है, छोड़ दो ये सब, बिल्कुल नहीं.
Well, it is good if the partner is good. If it's an asshole, well, all the best.
जिनका भाई पहले हो गया बहुत अच्छा, पर जिनका यहाँ आके भी नहीं हुआ उनका तो होना ही नहीं था भाई.
I think I'm happy, savage, single and one-man army. So I would like to go like solo lala.
Depends on person to person, and if you want it, you can go for it and enjoy your life at the fullest, but at your own risk.
कि first year में आके सीधा, you miss out on other opportunities to explore and get to meet new people. तो इतनी जल्दी नहीं, maybe कोई अच्छी मिली later on.
समझ रहे हो ना?
So what has been your funniest encounter in online class?
So I remember in one of our MTs, a guy submitted someone else's PDF in the exam. So cheating की वजह से उसको किसी और का PDF आया, उसने गलती से अपना नहीं किसी और की PDF submit कर दी. So that happened.
The teacher was teaching, लड़ाई शुरू हो रही थी between the teacher and the student कि marks नहीं मिल रहे. Marks आपने मतलब and the teacher had assumed that everyone had cheated, तो सही आंसर पे भी गलत marks. And फिर लड़ाई हो रही है and then some random guy started playing songs कि हटो इसकी कौन सुनेगा, and the entire class was vibing to Punjabi songs. So,
The funniest one that I have encountered is like a guy was playing Among Us during online class and he accidentally turned on his video and microphone. And sir just let it pass. I mean, he was just waiting for him to realize it and it was just very funny.
A friend's voice got on and उसकी मम्मी उसको मार रही थी, तो हमने 15 मिनट उसकी मम्मी को उसको मारते हुए सुना है. So yeah, that is one of the most funniest things that has happened in class.
So what do you think about the chapters, clubs and societies of MUJ?
So the first misconception that many people have about clubs is that they will spoon feed you everything, which is not the case. Like if you want to be an integral part of a club, you have to be very active in that club. For example, let's say there's a certain club and if you're not very active in the club, you will miss out on a lot of activities. You will miss out on like the conversations that happen in that club at the core level. So if you're not very active in a club, you don't expect to like get better in that field or whatever it is, the club.
There are a ton of opportunities available. I got a freelance gig from Litmus. I am involved in the core of ACM, and right now I saw Cinephilia working offline as well. And all the clubs I've seen, Choreographia, technical, non-technical, everyone's been very active. IEEE. I mean, I don't remember all the names, but to be honest, the clubs and the chapters over here are phenomenal.
I don't know if it's because of the online thing or not, but I joined 4 clubs. 3 of them are like literally dead. They're not at all active. They don't do anything. But I guess it's up to you. Even you guys, when you'll come back to the campus, you'll be joining clubs. Make sure they tell you everything about the club, about how active it has been in the past year. Because ultimately you'll be paying for these clubs over here, right? It's not free. So just make sure if the club is active, then only participate in it.
They are good for like personality building. लोगों से interact करने को मिलता है. You get to learn a lot from your seniors.
What usually we follow is we join one technical club at least and one cultural club at least. Cultural clubs are honestly more active than technical clubs, but IEEE and ACM are extremely active, so recommendations.
Something like choreography taught me to dance with heart. Litmus gave me opportunity to become extrovert and a better orator. So things go like this.
What behavioral changes you see around once you become a Manipalite?
You know, switched into some girly girl from the tomboy, I'll say. A bit changes, seeing other streams, people and girls around.
I had this pent up extrovert energy. जो 2 साल लॉकडाउन में बैठे रहे, so it was like बैठे. So I had this built up energy जो यहाँ पे आके like blast off हुई. Became an extrovert to the fullest, like जितनी major category हो सकती उतना.
Like, first of all, I feel more free. Second of all, well, I learned to manage finances because apparently you spend a lot where you think you won't need more than $5,000, but no. I learned to manage my expenses, and apparently room cleaning is actually a bigger thing than you think it is.
Pigeons are a problem. Pigeons are definitely a problem. So cleaning is not a problem. Pigeons are a problem. But the one thing that I observed in myself was getting comfortable being uncomfortable. Right, so I started doing a lot of uncomfortable things, as in approaching just random strangers just to talk to them. Like people are playing around over here, right? So if I see just 2 or 3 people playing the basketball, I simply go up to them and like, hey, can I play? So yeah, these little uncomfortable, things, once they compound over a few months or years, they really bring out the best in you. So yeah.
So what is your biggest fear in Amija?
That I get into drugs.
The biggest fear that I have is कि like at the end of my 4 years in college मैं mass recruit होके जा रहा हूँ. like mass recruit नहीं होना है यार सबको, मत हो please. like अच्छे पैकेज लेके जाओ या फिर स्टार्टअप कर लो, कुछ तो अच्छा करो प्लीज, ऐसा मत करो.
दबा के चलो चलो, कोई बैठ मत, चलो चलो, ए बैठ मत, उठाओ उठाओ, चलो 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 चलो, दबा के
सुन, फटाफट अंदर घुसा, हमें आगे कॉलेज से भी उठाने का.
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि फ्रेशर्स को फ्रेशर्स पार्टी मिले एंड हमको ना मिले. सो इफ़ एनीवन फ्रॉम MUJ देख रहा है, पहले हम लोग को, बिकॉज वी डिडंट गेट फ्रेशर्स पार्टी, यू कैन सी kind of all that I don't lose myself, this personality I've built for myself, I don't lose myself in the crowd of these amazing people.
I have decided some of the goals and things to achieve in these 4 years. If I couldn't do it, so I would regret it.
तो like education most important है, वो हर पेरेंट बोलता है ये, बट ये ट्रू है cause यहाँ आके environment देख के people बहक जाते हैं and they go the wrong track. So ये कभी मत करना.
Any piece of advice for upcoming freshers?
So a piece of advice that I'd like to give people is कि जैसे कि जब मैं आ रहा था कॉलेज, so I was very anxious कि भाई क्या होगा कैसे होगा, like बिल्कुल भी fear वाली बात नहीं. यहाँ पे आके सब चिल है. like फर्स्ट वीक तो मिनट करोगे ना, तुम एक हफ्ते तुमको पता भी नहीं लगेगा 1 हफ्ता हो गया. like you find your path on your own. like दोस्त मिल जाते हैं, तुम रूम्स पे एक दूसरे के बकचोदी करोगे and कुछ बहुत चीज़ें करने के लिए. तुम रेस्टोरेंट्स में चले जाओगे, तुम पार्क में जॉगर से बैठ जाओगे, बहुत चीज़ें करने के लिए. लाइक फर्स्ट वीक तो हमने केवल ऑल नाइटर्स मारे हैं, फर्स्ट वीक तुम सोए भी नहीं है अच्छे से. सो लाइक डोंट वरी, एग्ज़ाम दो, एडमिशन लो, आ जाओ, ठीक है. कोई भी लाइक फियर वाली बात नहीं कोई भी, ठीक है. दैट्स इट.
Take online classes seriously, I swear. Take them seriously. At least pick out Sunday, watch all the lectures together in one go. It'll take what, like 6-7 hours, worth it. Okay. Take online lectures seriously, and make good relationships, as in with friends. Right? You need people to be around you. You need people to eat food with. You need people to hang out with. Right? You cannot be a lone wolf when you come to college. You think you can be, but you can't.
If you have something at your back of the mind, something creative to do in the life that you haven't done yet, so you can try here. Does not fear what people will say or just try it.
love yourself, explore as much as you can, enjoy life and be happy.
अपनी आत्मा शुद्ध रखो, नहीं रख सकते तो एटलीस्ट थिंक ऑफ वेज आत्मा शुद्ध करने की बाद में. That's it.
Exactly. Don't pressure yourself on regarding anything. Like you have to, match up to the people in the campus, whether it be in terms of academics or in terms of clubs, in terms of fashion or anything. Just be yourself.
Thank you for coming to the video.
Thank you यार, पानी पूरी इंतजार कर रही हूँ.
Thank you.
Importance.
पानी पूरी बहुत दिनों बाद आज.
Freshers, खाना यहाँ का बहुत अच्छा है.